Hey guys, this is Jen and welcome to Media Mentors podcast for the youth. हर वीडियो में हमने एक ये तो देख लिया कि कॉलेज में बेस्ट क्या है, फ्रेंड्स कैसे बनाना है, इन्फीरियोरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स को कैसे टैकल करना है, बट इस वीडियो में हम ऐसी एक चीज़ फोकस करेंगे उस पर विच हैपन्स इन एवरी कॉलेज. कॉलेज कितना भी अच्छा हो, कोई भी स्टैंडर्ड रैंकिंग, कोई भी क्राउड हो, लेकिन ये हर कॉलेज में होता है और वो है कॉलेज पॉलिटिक्स. और इस कॉलेज पॉलिटिक्स को हम कैसे टैकल करें, कैसे डील करें, क्यों होता है और कौन करता है ये पॉलिटिक्स, ये सब जानने के लिए वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक टू पूजा मैम एंड गेट लिटिल insights on how she recommends that we as students should kind of handle this. We should take care of certain things कि ये चीज़ करनी चाहिए, नहीं करनी चाहिए, और अगर ऐसा होता है तो अब क्या. तो ये सब जानने के लिए कीप वॉचिंग. सो मैम, ये जो कॉलेज पॉलिटिक्स होता है ये इतना इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है, बट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि उसका रूट क्या है, उसका कॉज क्या है. चलो स्टूडेंट्स का तो समझ में आते हैं कि हमको टीचर्स पेट पढ़ना है या क्या है, वो हमारा वो देख लेंगे. बट एज अ टीचर, यू आर ऑलरेडी अ प्रोफेसर, यू टीच स्टूडेंट्स एंड आपने भी ऑफ कोर्स ऐसा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा. सो व्हाट इज दैट रीजन दैट व्हेन द कॉलेज brings this politics into picture, or who exactly brings it and why?
So, yes, college politics पे, like the way we are getting questions on Media Mentor, that's why the topic is here. Like college politics is from person to person actually. See, if you ask me personally, there's nothing that I have for any student. For me, every student is equal when he's sitting in a class, even if I like or dislike. Because personally, by human nature, I will have that, कि अरे ये बच्चा अच्छा है, ये नहीं है. But the politics starts when as you said, कि students want to be teachers' pet. वैसे ही teachers का भी एक problem है that they want to be popular. So sometimes they do certain things which is like to be like the most happening ones, or just to show the authority, and that's where it starts. And if some teacher is watching it, I just want to say one message that don't do that. Like students should be treated equally. Even if you like someone's work, appreciate, but even give chance to others. And I've seen that it happens that teachers are only demotivating students. So the politics starts like from both the end. I would say sometimes students, sometimes teachers, but it can be controlled if teachers are sensible enough to understand if that is also happening, how to control, like how to bring a balance if that is there. So college politics, yeah, you can say like it just starts. No one like it's a human nature to play politics and be manipulative types.
क्योंकि the most irritating part as a student is that when teachers start playing favoritism.
Yeah, that's what. Like,
this is my, I want this people with me. मेरे को ये support चाहिए, ऐसा है वैसा है. And then the teachers start boasting about it. कि मेरा ये है, आपका popularity क्या है, आपने जैसे mention किया, and then that gets very irritating in a college.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. No, that depends from teacher to teacher. You will not get all the teachers who are like same. A good teacher will always try to provide a equal platform to all the students. But if the teacher is doing favoritism, I think you are a good judge to understand that what is the capability of that teacher. So as you said, it's annoying if you just say ki how good is this particular person or this particular student. That should not happen. But you have to deal with it. If you have such kind of a teacher, you can just understand कि कोई फायदा नहीं है. So like just you can say you can ignore and you should understand कि बस ये तो उसका आदत है type of.
Is it better कि हम उनके हाँ में हाँ मिलाएं, या is it better that we take a stand against this kind of politics?
So when you talk about favoritism, देख उसमें तो हम कोई stand ले नहीं सकते. How can you take a stand saying कि ये favoritism चल रहा है? हाँ, you can take a stand when you are not getting an equal opportunity. When you see कि boss, you should also be informed. मतलब as a class or as a student, you should be informed, and you feel कि boss मुझे inform नहीं किया गया था, then yes, I definitely feel that you should confront your faculty. Or else you should talk to the higher authority in terms of कि boss, this is what has happened. If you feel that this is not fair, and you should have a legit point to that. Like ऐसे नहीं कि randomly आप कर रहे हो, but yeah, like you should take a stand, and if you think you can ignore, she's just blabbering, ignore कर दो यार. It depends. Like if it is not impacting you so much, so ignore. That is what you can do.
Because इन teachers के ऐसे गिने चुने होते हैं कि कि I will benefit so and so student, and the rest है कि आप देख लो आपका जो करना है. and then the students start hating these teacher, your own classmates. कि मतलब हाँ ये टीचर इनको देखती है हमें नहीं देखती, so you start hating them. So what can we do about that part?
So when as a class, guys, I would say आप जब first year में हो आपको 3 साल एक साथ निकालना है. The most important thing is class unity, and I have seen that being shattered big time because आप लोगों का पहले ही groupism हो जाता है. So that groupism when happens, it will not help you because कहीं ना कहीं by default अगर आप किसी के साथ आए like in a group project or you're going out, you won't be able to enjoy. You'll always feel कि यार इससे मुझे problem है ये है. So don't get into that trap. And when teachers are doing so, if they say कि अरे they're just informing these people, if you guys have unity, you inform. You just tell your classmates. आपका unofficial group है जो कि हमने last podcast में बात भी की है कि boss, you know what, I have got this information from the faculty and this is happening. Unless and until it is something confidential that the faculty doesn't want the whole class to know. Otherwise you can always be like अगर मैं as a good student हूँ, जैसे अच्छी टीचर होते हैं वैसे अच्छे students भी होते हैं, which is called as being together, which is called as being loyal to your class. Even if you don't like somebody, it's like भाई मेरा क्लास है, जैसे होता है ना मेरा इंडिया है, वैसे 3 साल के लिए भाई ये समझ लो कि मेरा क्लास है. And take everyone together. Don't make people feel very left out and sort of things. So that can be one of the things. Keep boss, when that kind of things are happening, if you get to know, and if you're somebody in a good book teachers का list में, we were like that. अगर हम लोग को पता चलता था, हम लोग पहले ही बता देते थे class को. So it was like my classmates know about things. So that can be done. Like to keep that unity intact. If you think कि management ऐसा है, if you think teachers ऐसी है, but आप में unity कैसे ला सकते हो, उस पे काम कर सकते हो. Because teachers को change करना is a different ball game. आप क्या ही कर लोगे. But to keep your unity intact and some person you think कि कोई weak है, तो आप खुद जाके उससे एक बार बात करो. Help each other to grow, and that would help.
Now about this, again, like in terms of solving this politics thing, there is one fear कि अगर हम खुद के लिए stand ले या अगर teacher कुछ equal opportunity as you said नहीं दे रहे students को, so if I take a stand, what are the repercussions? Because as a student, I fear कि भाई मेरा marks कट जाए.
Yeah, I know. I've seen this big time gamble kind of a thing, I would say, where people don't want to take stand, like especially students don't want to take stand because they feel कि मेरा marks impact होगा. And कुछ बच्चों ने तो मुझे आके personally बोला है कि मैम I don't want to get into this because then my internals would get impacted. And even the parents, बच्चे के माँ बाप खुद मुझे बोलते हैं कि मैम हमें इसमें नहीं पढ़ना because बच्चे का internals वो teacher खराब कर देगी. So I just want to say those teachers, you are losers. You just should have some balls and don't do that to students. अगर आप ऐसा कर रहे हो तो you are a pathetic human being, I would say. Because यार मुझे बच्चा अच्छा भी नहीं लगता ना, like if I find that person is like really annoying, I would never take it out on his marks because that is playing below the belt.
Correct.
I personally feel that कि boss, a student can be good, bad, a manipulator, but I'm superior, dude. That's why I'm a teacher. So if I'm hitting below the belt, which is like manipulating his or her marks, I don't deserve to be a teacher. So if you fear for marks, I would say guys अपना attendance सही रखो, अपने इंटरनल सही टाइम पे सबमिट करो. फिर भी आई नो इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू फाइट. Even if you do 100% thing, that person who is an asshole will take out some point where they will pin you down. So I would say इन चीजों में वोकल रहो जब आपको जरूरत है. Do not become a leader every time. अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि वो बनने से आपको वो एक होता है ना हिट बैक करेगा, जो मेरे साथ हुआ. I'll tell you the personal thing that I used to like, sir आप गलत बोल रहे हो. And they used to get offended and the letters used to go to my house कि भाई ये attend नहीं करती है, she is like not attending the college, and they screwed up my internals. So that's why I stood third.
They did screw it.
Yeah, they did screw my internals because that professor didn't like me to being vocal and straightforward saying things in class, and he gave me like out of 140. So my externals were highest in the class in my masters I'm talking about, but my internals is lowest. And still I stood third. मुझे गम सिर्फ थर्ड होने का नहीं था. मुझे प्रॉब्लम क्या था पता है? मुझे 10,000 नहीं मिला. I got only 3,000. Like I don't care whether I'm third or something. So I'm saying they do. Like this happened with me personally. So I want to say, that professor, if he watches whatever, you are loser. I'm not. So I just want to say all of you guys, अगर ऐसा तुम्हारे साथ भी हो रहा है, they are losers, bloody. If they are playing with something that is that they shouldn't. So it is unethical. I would say that.
If we are correct on our part, I think that's sufficient in the near future.
Yeah, and it's like, see, if you want to save your internals, I would say कि भाई ठीक है, आप थोड़ा सा सेफ प्ले कर लो, आप डोंट बिकम लाइक मेरे जैसा जाके झगड़ा मत करो, एंड यू ऑल्सो योरसेल्फ कि भाई ठीक है, जहाँ पे जरूरत है वहाँ पे आप बोलो, जहाँ पे नहीं है you can always ignore. So I learned from a mistake that I used to be too much vocal, तो वो नहीं करके आप ignore कर सकते हो, that's fine.
एक और चीज होती है which is it feels like हम जीत रहे लेकिन actually हम हार रहे. The thing is college हर semester एक feedback form निकालता है.
Yeah.
और वहाँ पे
Yeah.
जो कि the students anonymity is important कि student का नाम ना जाए.
Oh yeah.
But वहाँ पे जाता है form में. Okay?
Yeah.
Many colleges do that and then we don't know कि form देख कौन.
Yes. So in that case, I would say, guys, still be honest there. Because अगर आपने कुछ लिखा है, ठीक है ना यार, ज़्यादा marks थोड़े इधर उधर होंगे, but if you have submitted good, if you have submitted your project which is really good, I'll tell you, you can always put for revaluation, you can always write letter to university, letter to, देखो fight होता है, because सच के लिए लड़ना हमेशा ऐसे होता है, जैसे students always say, ma'am, he's a licker, like literally, people do that. Even if they don't like that faculty, just to please that faculty, oh ma'am, your eyes is like honey, sugar, whatever shit they say. And why? Because they want to get good marks. All those things आपको कितना दूर लेके जाएगा यार. ये तो आपको जाके ऑफिस कल्चर में भी होता है. When we start working, just to be in the good books of, oh sir, you are looking so good, oh ma'am, you are looking so good. ये तो फिर तुम जिंदगी भर करोगे. Then I would say students are unnecessary because जो कुछ लोग ये जाके करते हैं ना, मतलब बटरिंग का काम, उनके वजह से क्या होता है, जो बच्चे नहीं करते हैं वो रेडार में आते हैं. सो व्हेन यू आर सेइंग दैट कि बॉस कि अगर मतलब मार्क्स तो चलो एक चीज है, दूसरा चीज तो ऑल द थिंग्स आर समड अप टुगेदर दैट कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट बॉइल्स डाउन टू व्हाट वी वांट टू डू एंड व्हाट टिल हाउ मच लाइक एक्सटेंड वी वांट टू डू. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू से कि कॉलेज पॉलिटिक्स अगर हैंडल कर रहे हो तो कुछ चीजें कॉलेज के बाहर रखो, सारी चीजें टीचर्स को बताना जरूरी नहीं है. डोंट जस्ट ओपन अप and open up as in, if you open up, you should know what kind of person you are opening up with. Like be it teachers, be it your friends. So you have to keep your private life, your life balance कि आपको कहाँ पे क्या बात करना है. वो maturity अगर आप में आ गई, then you will be able to manage.
ऐसा भी होता है that if you share with a faculty जो आपको लगता है कि चलो she is a motherly figure and I can share my problems with her, and then she uses that against you.
Happens. I mean, I have heard like ये मेरे साथ हुआ नहीं है because I was never in good books of faculty. So yeah, it never happened with me because I never shared anything with my faculty. Only one sir I used to, still I say that sir was the best, and I never had a problem because I shared with him and I felt that he understood. So if you have somebody who understands, please do share. But if you don't know that person, just because the person is talking sweet to you, just don't blabber everything, because then, as you said, ki bhai against matlab your story is done. You never know how it's gonna backfire. Similarly with friends also. So it's all about don't overshare no matter what. Like आज आपका जो bestie है वो कल शायद आपके साथ उतने अच्छे terms में नहीं रहा, तो you never know, the information that you shared can be used as a weapon and you'll be feeling कि भाई हाँ भाई मैं ही डैश था. So वो feeling में आना है तो आ जाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
खुद के पैर पे
कुल्हाड़ी मारना. Yeah. So it's like बस कि मैं ही था, मैं यहाँ आया, that गाली I don't know to give, but yeah, like that sort of.
So in the end I would just like to ask कि एक thumb rule हो या कोई ऐसे कुछ option हो that we should keep in mind as students. Because at in a given situation तभी कुछ क्लिक नहीं होता है कि अभी इस सिचुएशन में मुझे ये करना है, ये कर सकते हैं, वो कर सकते हैं, या क्या कर सकते हैं exactly. तो आप क्या सजेस्ट करोगे?
So in that case, guys, like as she's asking, I would like to say जो mistakes मैंने भी करी है, मैंने भी सीखा है, that oversharing मैंने करी, वो मुझे backfire हुआ. Then when you talk about fighting for your rights, वो भी एक तरीके में होना चाहिए. Like I was very much कि भाई आप गलत हो and sort of thing. So वो फाइटिंग शायद मेरा तरीका तब सही नहीं था, जो मुझे नहीं समझा, बिकॉज एज अ किड यू वोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि हाउ थिंग्स आर बीइंग परसीव्ड. देयर इज अ वे ऑफ पुटिंग थिंग्स, सो व्हिच आई लर्नड ग्रेजुअली, एक्चुअली स्टिल नॉट, बट या आई मीन आई लर्न कि बस थोड़ा माइल्डर वर्जन हो सकता है. बट इफ यू हैव बॉल्स, इफ यू आर करेक्ट, देन स्टैंड फॉर इट. मतलब बी रेडी टू टेक द रेपरकशन व्हिच इज गोना कम, बिकॉज देयर आर स्टूडेंट्स आई हैव सीन, दे आर लाइक कि बॉस कट टू कट, ये सही है और ये गलत है, उनको कुछ और नहीं सुनना. और थर्ड थिंग, अगर आपसे गलती हुई है, सो प्लीज डू नॉट फील कि हमेशा ही आप गलत करोगे. डोंट गेट डिमोटिवेटेड. फाइन, आपने गलती की, गलती से इंसान सीखता है. एंड आई वुड से इफ एनी टीचर, एनी प्रिंसिपल, एनी लीडर वुड से कि भाई मैं गलत नहीं हूँ, हर इंसान से गलती होती है. एंड इफ यू आर ह्यूमन, you're gonna screw up in lot of things in life. So you have to understand ki boss, I will make mistake, but if you are not human, you are an idiot, you will keep on repeating it. So you have to decide, if you're human, mistake ho gayi, main usse seekhunga and I'm gonna grow. But if you're like repeating that same thing, then no point, no. So here, that's what summed down ki college politics is a part of whole thing. वो रहेगा ही, आप वो निकाल नहीं सकते हो. स्टूडेंट्स के बीच में होगा, आपके ग्रुपिज्म बनेंगे. बट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड योर इमोशनल बैलेंस इन टर्म्स ऑफ कि भाई मैं मेंटली इमोशनली कैसे बैलेंस रहूँ. दो तरीके में. आई नीड टू परफॉर्म वेल, आई नीड टू अटेंड कॉलेज, आई नीड टू बी अ बेटर वर्जन ऑफ माई सेल्फ. जैसे कि बहुत बच्चे मुझे पूछ रहे हैं मैम कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे देना, वो तो हम अलग वीडियो में करेंगे. बट कॉन्फिडेंट होने के लिए स्टेज पे जाओ यार, टट्टी करो वहां जाके, गलतियां करो, लाइक स्पीक रॉन्ग थिंग्स. दैट्स हाउ यू विल लर्न, बिकॉज अनलेस एंड अंटिल यू विल नॉट फेस द एम्बैरेसमेंट, वो फायर ही नहीं आएगा ना अंदर कि भाई मुझे सही करना है. सो दैट्स हाउ द होल थिंग इज. समिंग अप टू कि बॉस, दिस ईयर आप कॉलेज में इसलिए हो गलतियां करने के लिए, सीखने के लिए, गालियां खाने के लिए, टीचर्स की हो या किसी की भी हो. सो गालियां खा रहे हो तो डोंट टेक इट ऑन ईगो डूड. मतलब जस्ट टेक इट कि भाई मैं गलत हूँ, मैं गलत हो सकता हूँ, एंड जस्ट सेल थ्रू एंड लर्न अकॉर्डिंगली. एंड कॉलेज पॉलिटिक्स आप अवॉइड तो नहीं कर सकते हो, बट डील करो सही तरीके से. मतलब just don't get it into your head, because at times I have seen you're not able to sleep, you get emotionally irritated, you feel like I'll kill that person type of thing. So don't get into that. मतलब आने दो और let it go. Like it is not your end of the life. It's like let it go. Like वो कर सकते हो. That is the best way कि आया, डील किया, 2-3 दिन डिस्टर्ब हो, बट छोड़ दो उसको. Like let it go. जिंदगी नहीं खत्म होने वाली. कॉलेज छूट जाएगा 3 साल बाद. You will go somewhere else. Nobody will even remember that you existed here. So yeah, it's like that.
That's a fact. That's a sad fact.
Yeah. So guys, that's what we didn't want to extend too much time, because last हमारा podcast was 25 minutes, so we thought we'll try to make it like 15 minutes or something. And college politics पे बहुत सारे questions आ रहे थे, तो अगर आप emotionally थोड़ा भी डाउन हो रहे हो तो प्लीज वॉच इट. एंड एज आई सेड, वी गाइस आर हियर. प्लीज सेंड अस मैसेजेस. हम इंस्टाग्राम पे पूछते हैं. यू कैन राइट योर फीलिंग्स इन द कमेंट बॉक्स एंड वी विल ट्राई टू मेक वीडियोस एंड ट्राई टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन एज मच एज वी कैन.
अभी जितना भी we have discussed here is something that I have known from my friends or my own experiences, but लेकिन there are so many things that you guys might have कि your experience in certain departments, certain colleges, certain anything in life.
Please write down.
Comments में लिख दो, because there are other students who will learn from it and will understand कि ऐसा भी होता है. So and also next video what you want on that also drop it in the comments, so we'll know कि आपको क्या exactly understanding चाहिए and we can harass ma'am accordingly. So thanks for watching
and stay tuned for a lot of such amazing podcasts on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.